Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Mama Triple and today's recipe is special and easy to cook. It is a very short video. Make sure you watch till the end. Alright, let's go. I already peeled and washed my yam. I'm going to cook it. In another pan, I'm going to add my palm oil and let it hot a little. After that, I'm going to add my onions and stir. Remember, it is very important to stir because we want that aroma and taste in it. So I added my mackerel fish. I really used a little amount of fish because the sauce is very little. So that's my pepper mix. In there is Scotch bonnet pepper, tomatoes, bell pepper, ginger, onions. I added my Maggi cube to it to give it that good taste. And after that, I'm going to stir properly and then cover to cook. So after that, I am going to cover it and let it cook. And guys, it has been cooking for like 6 minutes to 8 minutes now. So I'm going to test for salt, and guys, the salt was just okay. So now I covered again, and after that I'm going to open it, and that's it. My sauce is ready. Guys, come on, take a look at this easy recipe that I made. It is so yummy and delicious. Guys, if you find this video interesting, come on, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with everyone. So now I'm going to dish out my food and eat. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. Also click on the bell icon so that anytime I post a new video, you will be notified. All right, thank you so much for watching from the start to the end. I will say bye for now and see you in my next video. Bye.